राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड वृंदावन गौर प्रेमानंदे चक्षुर्मिदं येन तस्मै गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय सद्भक्ताय नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम श्री श्री भजन रहस्य 8th जन साधन रात्रिला प्रेम भजन संभोग। मर्तो यदा तप्त समस्त कर्म निवेदिता आत्मा विजिकीर्षतो तदा मृतं प्रतिपद्यमानो मया आत्मभुवाय च कल्पते। Yesterday we also discussed this verse. A devotee who remembers three with these pastimes is transcendental and being filled with the eternally knowledge and bliss that is called Sachidananda. Just like Bhagavan, a Vaishnava's body is non-different from Krishna's body. In this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna says to Uddhava, when a person abandons all fruitive activities and fully surrenders himself to me, he becomes a recipient of special prema. And this is a result of my merciful treatment towards him. I release him from old age and grant him entrance into my eternal pastimes, where he serves me eternally. Wandering the cycle of repeated birth and death, very extreme fortune living entities, they will take shelter lotus feet of Krishna and offer his heart to lotus feet of Guru and Krishna. Then Krishna will accept him. Tadamritam pratipadya manu maya atma bhuvaya cha kalpati vai. And that time his body become transcendental. Aprakritadya, transcendental body. With his transcendental body, then you will be qualified to enter in my eternal pastimes. Sarvadi vinirmuktam tatparitya nirmalam hisikena hisikesa sevanam bhaktir uchyate. In this Upanishad also explained, one who free from all kinds of material designation, upadhi, and his heart completely neat and clean, that means free from all kinds of material desires. And he offers all his fruitive activities towards me, then he is qualified to serve me with his transcendental constitution for Siddhaya. दीक्षा काले शिष्य करे आत्मसमर्पण, সেই কালে কৃষ্ণ তারে করে আত্মসমর্পণ। সেই দেহ হয় তার চিদানন্দময় অপ্রাকৃত দেহে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ ভজ। চৈতন্য ভাগবত চৈতন্য চৈতামৃত explain this way. When disciple completely surrender lotus feet of Guru, and received Diksha mantra from Guru. That time his body is called Chidanandamaya. And with his transcendental body Chidanandamaya, he is qualified to perform bhajana and sadhana. So saying Dikha Kali Sisya Kare Atma Samarpan. Atma Samarpan, we have to surrender lotus feet of Guru. Then Krishna accept all your offering of fruitive activities, karma bhava. And that time your body will become Chidananda service. Because Krishna is called Sachidananda, Satchit Ananda, Sachidananda Bhagavan. So conditional soul actually come to serve to him, because conditional soul body is a material body. Atas Sri Krishna Namadi Nam Bhavid Grachya Indri Sevan Mukhui Jihadu Swayamos Pratittada. Sevan Mukh Vritti, tendency to serve Guru and Krishna. Then Krishna's inconceivable potency, Achinta Sakti, that body will become Chidananda Sarir. With his Chidananda Sarir, when transcendental body, he will qualify to serve to Krishna. Actually, this is the process. So saying, Marto Jada Tapta Samasta Karma Nivedita Atma Vichikirsito me Tada Amritam Pratipaddamanu Maya Atma Bhutaya Chakalpati Voi. So Diksha is not one day complete. Diksha is take time. Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anarthavritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti and Bhavadasa. When sadhaka, he will come in the stage of Bhavadasa, that time he is called, that time his Diksha initiation be complete. Shraddha to Asakti, that is called on the process of his Diksha initiation. And sadhak should be always associate with Swajatiya Asai Snigdha Bhagavat. And affectionate devotees who are of the same mood as himself and more advanced. The sadhak who is endowed with Madhurya Rati attain its desires in his heart and render service the aromas mellows. And by practicing bhakti, by the mercy of devotee, he attains the state of perfection, that is your Siddha Vishta. Such a devotee performs his sadhan eternally under the guidance of Lolita and other Sakhis. That here is saying how to bhajan and sadhan under guidance of Lolita Sakhi, because Lolita Devi, she is the chief commander of all the Sakhis. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur was saying Lolita Alladasi Kari Lalita Sundari Amare Lohiya Kabe Siraji Ka Pode Kalai Milaive Agga Seva Samar Pive Agga Seva Samar Pive Agga Seva Samar Pive Amare Lohiya Priya Kabhe. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely glorified about Lalita Sakhi. Because Lalita Sakhi, she is the prominent and chief commander of all the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Lalita's mood, that is called, what is mood? Prakhara. She is very talkative. For this regard, she controls to Krishna also. Okay? So here sadhak perform bhajan and sadhan under guidance of Lalita and other Sakhis. By their mercy, he receives the bodily feature equal to those the Nitya Siddha Manjari, and also obtains the pleasure of directly rendering Kunja Seva. Kunja Seva sadha se hi paite par. Kunja Seva Mandira Marjanam iti Kunja Seva. Srila Jiva Goswami Pad explained sadhak is cleaning the temple of Krishna. That means he is servicing the Kunja of Srimati Radhika. Kunja Seva. In Brajadham, there are many places sadhak remains and remembering these past times. So after this attainment of Sarup Siddhi, sadhak achieves Vastu Siddhi and for eternally serves Radhika in the eternal land of Vrindavan. Actually, this sequence is that first is called Sadhana Siddhi, then Bhav Siddhi, then Sarup Siddhi. After Sarup Siddhi, then that is called Prema Siddhi or Vastu Siddhi. After Prema Siddhi or Vastu Siddhi, then sadhak, he will go in Golok Vrindavan and with the associate of Krishna, and they will serve Divine Lord Radha and Krishna. So here will say Nitya Siddha Manjaris also obtain the pleasure of directly rendering Kunja Seva. Tamula Arpana Pada Mardana Payudana Avisar Devi Bindaran Namasaram Prana Prishta Sivkila Sankochita Bhumika Sirupa Manjarita Dasika Om Sam Srayit. Raghunath Das Goswami explained in this way. Je Tambula Arpana Pada Mardana Payudana Avisara Devi. They how the Manjaris they serve to Krishna in that the Kunja. Tambula Arpana, sometimes they offering bitternut, Tambula Arpana. Pada Sevanam, sometimes they also massage the lotus feet of Divine Lord Radha and Krishna. Then Tambula Arpana Pada Mardana Payudana Avisara Devi, and they also offering the water to Divine Lord Radha and Krishna. Avisara Devi, that means when Srimati Radhika, she goes to meet with her beloved Krishna, and that time Manjaris, they also followed to him. Because Manjari always staying with Srimati Radhika as like her shadow. छाया की भांति राधा जी की आसपास ही रहती है. Alex, we cannot far from our shadow. shadow always with us. And in the same way, Manjari is there very intimacy, friendship with Srimati Radhika. For this regard, they are staying very close to Srimati Radhika. Okay? So two kinds of Manjari is also there. Okay? One is those who are Nitya Siddhas Parikar, Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjaris, they are eternal associated Srimati Radhika. Or another, Sadhana Siddha, that is called Jiva Tattva. Those jivas performing bhajan and sadhana in this material world, and when they realize that transcendental body, Siddha Deva, then with that transcendental body they attain to Guru Vrindavan. Actually, that Manjari Shakti is called Sadhana Siddha. They are jiva. Lolita, Visakha, Rupanjali, they are called Nitya Siddha, the eternal associate of Krishna or Srimati Radhika. Okay? But little bit difference. What is the difference? Those are Nitya Siddhas, eternal associate of Srimati Radhika. They serve to Srimati Radhika very closed. That is called Nikat Gata Seva. Okay? Those are eternal associates of Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika's Nitya Kaiboha or servicing to their service is called Nikat Seva. Yeah. And they are taking decision that tomorrow what kinds of Leela will perform. Yeah. Those are Sadhana Siddha, Jiva Tattva, that means those who manifested from the marginal potency of Lord Krishna Trishna Shakti. And by the performing bhajan and sadhana and receive the causeless mercy of Guru and Krishna, then they free from all kinds of material desires. Then their heart will be very neat and clean as like Krishna. So, on the platform of Sandhini, then Sambit and Radhini will manifest. This is the process. But these Sadhana Siddha Manjaris, sometimes they also serve to Krishna very close, or Krishna, Srimati Radhika. But that is very rare. Mostly Sadhana Siddha, Gopish Manjari, they serve to Srimati Radhika a little bit far. Such as they picking the flowers and creating the sandalwood paste, this, and they bring and offer to Rupa Manjari, and then Rupa Manjari say will direct serve to Srimati Radhika. This is the process. So further, the Guru Vastak, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also explained, my Gurudev is a Nitya Siddhas Parikar of different Radha and Krishna. For this regard, even the Lolita Visakha, they are very eager to take some decision. Today, what kinds of Leela will perform? Because different days, different Leela is going on. Nikunja Jono Ratikali Siddhai Jajani Vi Yuktirapekshaniya Tatravi Dakshat Ativallavasa Bande Guru Sri Charanaravinda. Guru Vastak, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, scientific way also explain this way. Nikunja Juno Ratikali Siddhai Jajalavi Yuktirapekshaniya. Even Lolita Visakha, they want to listen from Srimati Radhika about how Radha and Krishna today they will meet. So now coming in this way, such a service only attended by sadhukas in Madhurya Rati. it is not attended by others. Because those who have Madhurjarati sadhak, only they are qualified to serve Srimati Radhika. For the Dasa Vatsala Adi Nahi, Isava Gochor, Savik Sakhi Gane, Tatha Vadikar, Sakhi Lila Kari Tata Sakhi Lila Sadai, Dasa Vatsala Adi Nahi, Isava Gochor. What will say to others? Even those are devotees of Dasa, servitual mode, Sakha, friendship mode, Vatsalya, that is called, and friendship mode. So in Dasa Vatsalya Dinahi, Yesava Gochar. That types of devotees cannot enter in the place where Radha Krishna performing different leelas. Yaduranath Das Goswami explained, Tambulo Arpana Podo Payo Dano Visaradevi. Tambulo Arpana, they offering the beatings. And Viraha Bhav comes, separation mode. When they feel separation from Krishna, and then their heart melted and tears rolling down. Srimati Radhika she also told, how I will meet with Sri Krishna. Just taking darshan of Krishna, their heart completely melted. This. So sadhak should perform service to Srimati Radha and Krishna Jugal. These sadhak should perform all the activities of mood of service of Bhagavan. Householder devotees should worship the deities at home and perform the activities of earning money. One is called householder devotee, Grihastha sadhak devotee, or one is called Tapta, renounced sadhak. But both also serve to Krishna. So I think householder devotees should worship deities at home and perform the activities of earning money and maintaining the family members and protecting their assets, and some a service of their Lord. One should consider himself a mere servant of the Lord. So Raghunath Das Goswami explained this. Tambulo arpano padu mardana poyodana visardhi vindarana masin prana prishtasaki klas sankochita bhumika rasika radhika taddasika aham samsray. So Raghunath Das Goswami Rupanu Acharya version. Raghunath ji quoted that Tambulo arpano, how they offering the tambul. Tambul means bitter. Tambulo arpano. Pada Mardhanam, sometimes they massage the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Payodana Visaradhi, and they offered the water, fresh water for Krishna's seva. And sadhak always should be Tinadapi Suni Taruva Srishna Amanina Manadina Kirtaniya Sada. Because prem manifests one's heart, he becomes very humble. As the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I have no prem, no love and affection with Radha and Krishna. This is his humble, the So in the same way, prem manifests one's heart, he will become very humble. Falavanta vrikshar gunavanta jan namrata svabhav tar hoy anukon. When the fruits are coming in the trees, that is all the branches of the tree also falling down. So here Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained the word Chintoit in the above verse of न धर्मं श्रुतिगत नियत्तं किल कुरु ब्रजे राधा कृष्ण प्रचुर परिचर्याम्यतनु सची सुनं नन्दीश्वरं पति सुतत्ते गुरुवरं मुकुन्द पृष्ठत्ते स्मरं परमजस्रं ननु मनः. Here Bhaktivinoda Thakur quoted this verse from Sikshastak. Is no dharma, na dharma, Manasiksha, second verse. No dharma, na dharma, sutigana nityam kila kuru. Braje Radha Krishna prachura paricharya mihatanu sachi sunanandisara pati sudatte guruvaram mukunda prishtatte smara jasranumana. Raghunath Das Goswami, very humble, he is saying this way. Na dharmam, na dharmam, srutigatan, kilo kuru. I will not perform any karma or dharma. Okay? So I told you. Na dharmam, na dharmam, srutiganam, niruktam, kilo kuru. Braje Radha Krishna Prachura Paricharya Mihatan. But I observed in Braj to serve the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Sachi Sunam Nandis Sarapati Sudatte Guru Vanam. And always give respect to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is the son of Sachi. Because in this Kali Yuga, who will give prem to us? Only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Ama bina braja prem nahi anne dite. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, except me, no one can give braja prem. Jatha jatha gaura padara binde. Binde bhuvat kritapunna punja tatata sarvehri akasmat radha padambuju sudhamburas. If you completely surrender to the feet of Krishna, lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Jatha jatha gaura padara binde. If you surrender to lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Radha Prem automatically manifests in your heart. Then, so here Raghunath Das Goswami, he is called Rupanuga Acharya Vaishya. And so much love and affection with Raghunath Das Goswami. For this regard, he recited this verse. Na dharmam, na dharmam, srutigata nityam kilo kuru. Whatever speak in Vedas, dharma and adharma. What is the definition of dharma? Dharma किसको कहते हैं?
That thing you do in favor of Krishna, what Krishna says.
मत निमित्तं कृतं पापं धर्मया परिकल्पते. मत्तत्व Mattatyam dharma, adharma parikalpa. Krishna says in Srimad Bhagavatam, Mad nimittam kritam papam. If you commit some offenses, aparad, why? Mad nimittam kritam papam. Because for your weakness of the heart, but Krishna says, I will protect him. So, yes, you are not dharma. I will not follow any dharma or adharma. What will Shruti Gana Nityam Kilakuru? What Veda Upanishad saying about dharma and adharma? Padhya Raghunath Das Goswami, his firm faith, I will not perform any kinds of dharma or any kinds of adharma. What is the meaning of adharma? Those activities are prohibited by the Vedas. वेद में कुछ नियम को जो है उसके नियम बंद करके रखे, उस नियम को उल्लंघन करना, that is called the offenses. Such and Vedas say, Satyam Pada. Always speak the truth. Jhut mat bolo. But if you not speak the truth, that is called the offense aparad. But the Nadharma Nadharma Sutikar Nityam Kilo Kuru Braje Radha Krishna Prachura Paricharya Mihutam. Always I serve different Radha Krishna in Braj. Braje Radha Krishna Prachura Paricharya Mihutam. Sachi Sunam Nandi Sarat Pati Sutatte Guru Param. Always think, the Brahmana who lives in Braj, then you give respect to him, because Brahman is called Bhusura. Bhusura means one who is a demigod of this material world. He is called Bhusura. Shruti Yukta Dharma Dharma Vidhi Nisidha Karma Karma Chari Bhaja Radha Krishna Pad Gaurange Sri Krishna Gauranga ke Sri Krishna Jana Guru Krishna Prishtamano Ei Bhav Tumaro Sampad. Bhaktivinoda Thakur continue explain. The Shruti Gaurang, Shruti means Vedas, also explain some Niskam and Sakam Bhakti. Where Shruti means Sri Raghunath Das Goswami, he served to Krishna with his all limbs and body. No prema sarunadi bhakti rupi va jugo athava vaishnavu jnanatvang subha karmang va kyodadu sajjati usvivam dinanath dinarthikaram sati toi yathachidamula sati he gopijana vallavam bethate ha ha mahasayivamam. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited these verbs. I have no prem, love for Radha and Krishna. This is his humility. Because prem manifests one's heart, automatically we become very humble. Tinad Vishuni Chattaru Vishnu Omanino Manadeno Kirtana Sada. And all is absorbed, chanting holy names and remembering past times of Divine Radha and Krishna. And Nautam Das Thakur. Radha Krishna, Pranamur, Jugala Kishore. Dukulam Vibramata Kujatati Chanchukapatam Prasadam Saminam Sakara Tadattam Pradaya Pranayatam Stang Nitam Parsi Vividha Puricharja Chaturam Kisori Matmanam Chakula Kalpate Siddha Deva Gopiyami Siradhika Kinkari Radha Prasadita Vastra Pancharika Pari Grihipati Hari Kisori Vayase Radha Padase Vikunji Rajani Divase. Here Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, one who realized his transcendental consciousness from Siddhadeva. And that time all his activities, how to give exclusive pleasure for Divine Radha and Krishna. But this is the symptom of bhakti. Bhakti parishan bhuva virakti annatra. Chaisatri ko eko kala prabodhaman tushti pushti khud nivritti anughasana. Srimad Bhagavatam. Bhakti manifests oneself. Automatically his material desires will be reduced. This is the nature. Are you properly practicing bhakti or not? How do you know? Then automatically your anarthas diminishing, unwanted things, anarthas diminishing, and your taste will come to chanting holy names, servicing Guru and Krishna. Atmanang chinte tatra tasang madhye manoramam Rupa Jovana Sampanna Kisori Pramodakritim. Here very confidently explain about Atma Snan. Atma Dhyan. The meditation about his transcendental consciousness of Atma Dhyan. Atmanang chinte tatra tasang madhye manoramam. What do you think? In your mind you think, here I am associated, I am staying with Srimati Radhika Satis. Rupa Jovana Sampanna, my body, very nice, beautiful, transcendental body, youthful form body. Agga Seva Parang Tat Kripa Alankara Bhushitam, and always very eager to serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari and Gaudiya Vaishnava. They are very proud to taking this name of Rupa Goswami. That is called Rupa Goswami Bhajan pranali. तन्नामरूपचरितादि सुकृतनानुस्मृतो क्रमेण रसनामनसे निजज्य तिष्ठन् व्रजे तदानुरागी जनानुगामी कालंगनयत हितोपदेशसारम. You have to realize your own transcendental concept from. Then you have to chant Lord's all the sweet names. ताम्बूल अर्पण पाद ताम्बूल अर्पण पयो दानाद भी अभिशाल सुकृतनानुस्मृत क्रमेण रसना मनसी निजज्जु. That means you have to absorb with your body, mind and speech with Krishna. So here also Bhaktivinoda Thakur quoted this verse. Tamula Tannam Rupacharitādi Sukritanusmritu, and remembering chanting Lord's sweet names and remembering Krishna's Rama's pastimes. So here also Tannam Rupacharitādi Sukritanusmritu Kramena Rasana Manasi Nijajjo. In this way, slowly you also attach with your tongue with Krishna Nam Rup Lila. Tishtan Braje, you have to always stay in Braj. But Braj in many places. Where will you stay? You should not stay in the place of Chandravati. Here also explaining this. काल वर्णन करें. Because the Atmadhyan, how to meditate about your transient constant form, Siddhartha. But first to learn the Atmadhyan, Atmasuddhi, Bhuta Suddhi, नाहं विप्रो न चरणपति न वैष्णव शूद्र ग्रस्त वर्णी यतिर्वा किंतु प्रद्यो निकरण पूर्णम ताब्दि गोपी भर्तु पद कमलो दास दास. How to serve Srimati Radhika. Gopi Bhartu Padakamalu Dasan Das. I am the servant of Krishna, who is the beloved of the Lord. Vittas Vittas Moralopanatha. So Tannamar Bhajari Sukritanito Smritu Krameno Rasana Manasi Nijoji. Tishtan Braji, but we have to always stay in Braj. You should not go out from the Braj. There are two twins brothers. They came in Vrindavan and they performed bhajan and sadhan on the bank of Radhakunda. Maybe 50 years they performed bhajan and sadhan Radhakunda. Already they also absorbed with the sweet past, aroma sweet pastimes of Radha and Krishna. But after a few years, the younger brother, he told his elder brother, in my life I did not perform any dham parivarisha, any pilgrimage place. I have to go some pilgrimage place. And same time some Brajavasis, they told we are going to Dwarka. So he told, okay, come with us. Then younger brother, he left Radhakunda and traveled with Brajavasis in Dwarkapuri. Then couple months he was staying in Dwarka and taking the prince of what is called Rukmini. Huh? What is called? Stand. Yeah. Because if you go in Dwarkapuri, they are giving best stand. And then after 3 months, he returned back. Maybe 1-2 months he was staying there. Dwarkapuri returned back in Braj and do bhajan and sadhana on the bank of Radhakunda. But now his mind completely was disturbed. And he could not find out that cause the disturbance of his mind. What is the cause of the disturbance of his mind? He could not find. Then he told his elder brother, after returning from Dwarka pilgrimage, I tried to concentrate mind to Srimati Radhika, but mind now disturbed. That time his elder brother told, when you went to Dwarkapuri, for this regard, Srimati Radhika rejected. So again you do bhajan and sadhana in the beginning. Yeah. फिर पुनः साधन करो. Then he felt pang of separation with Srimati Radhika. Then he left his body. Sometimes the Brajvasis, they also explain these types of Leela-katha. So that means Tishtan Braje, you have to stay always in Braj. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this purport also explained, if sadhak has not possible stay in Braj, physically stay in Braj, but sadhak always stay in Braj with his mind. Man ki tarah Braj ke paas ko. How will stay in Braj with your mind? Remembering sweet almost pastimes of Radha and Krishna. So in Tishtan Braji, Tat Anuragi, and always following the footsteps of pure devotees, one's heart completely colored with Madhurya. Understand? And Jananugami, they are saying two things. Tishtan Braje, Tadanuragi or Jananugami. They are always following the footsteps of Rupa Manjari, Rupa Manjari, etc. They are saying Krishna Nam Rup Gun Lila Sankirtan Anusmriti Vikrame Jiha Monosamyojan Kunjevas Anuragijan Dasi Hoye Hoya Ashtakal Bhaji Krishna Moji Lila Mojia Mojia. Here Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Bengali words also explain. In Bhajan Rahasya, sadhak, he should be absorbed with Braj Lila. I like Raghunath Das Goswami, he performed Bhajan sadhana on the bank of Radha. But one thing, if you do go Braj or Radha Kunda without sadhu sangha, then all your bhajan sadhana completely what? Useless. You have to do bhajan sadhana under guidance of pure devotee of Lord, Shuddha Bhakta. Shuddha Bhakta Charna Renu Bhajan Anukul. Bhajanas Bhakta Seva Parama Siddhi Prem Latika. Bhaktivinoda Thakur also always associated with pure devotee of Lord, Shuddha Bhakta. Evam Vrata Sapriya Nama Kritva Jata Anuragu Dusituchai Hasoto Ato Rudauti Roti Ganumadavad Nittati Lokabhajya. Those are pure devotee of Lord. These are in this verse explain the external symptoms. What are the external symptoms? Internal symptoms. This is the internal. external symptoms, activities, एवं व्रत सप्रेम बाह्य व्यवहार. Sometimes he is crying, sometimes he is rolling on the ground, sometimes completely fainted. और अंतर लक्षण, internal symptoms, or is absorbed with Radha Krishna Lila Katha Smara. Like our 6 Goswami they Patan Bhajan Sadhana Vrindavan Sankhapurvaka Nama Gananati Vikara Vasan Krito Nidra Ahara Vihar Viduka Chattan Radha Krishna Gunasmriti Madhurima Anandana Sameto Bande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugu Sijiva Gopalo. Sankhapurvaka Nama. You have to chant brilliance in a fixed round. Sankhapurvaka. Every day you have to wake up, try to wake up, what time? Brahma Murta. Brahma Murta chanting brilliance is very powerful. Once Gurudev told, just Brahma Murta you chant 16 rounds, means equal, double automatically. Because Brahma Murta, that time your mind is very fresh mind, and no any disturbance. Puranas also explain this way: sun rises and sun sets. Automatically Sattva Raja Tama Guna is coming. Sattva Guna in Brahma Murta. When sun rises, that time you are very eager to perform your many duties, prescribed duties. That is called Rajaguna coming. At Tamaguna, when sun sets, then Tamaguna is coming. That is called laziness, sleepiness, many things coming. So sun rises and sun sets, actual Sattva Tamaguna is going on. And Brahma Murta, that time your mind will be very calm and quiet. So very easy your mind will be concentrated with holiness. Good man. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Premanande.
Definition of Dharma?
Eh?
Definition of Dharma? Definition of Dharma.
Mahaprimitam Kritam Papam Dharma Parikalpati. Krishna says, if anybody sometime committed any some sinful activities for the service, for my lotus service, that is called also dharma. Adharma, if you follow all the rules and regulations of the scriptures, but not do bhajan sadhana to Krishna, that is called also adharma. चारी वर्णाश्रम यदि कृष्ण नहीं भजे सस कर्म करते से रोग रोगे पड़ी नहीं. For Varna and Ashrami, they are following all the rules and regulations of Varnashram Dharma, but not doing bhajan and sadhana to Krishna. After their death, they will go hell. So saying, Chari Varnashrami jadi Krishna nahi bhaje sasa karma kurte se rourabe padi maje. Rourab means is one kind of narak. Rourab narak. There are one kinds of, is some kinds of very, what is called, poisonous insects in there, and they will go to bite you. Eh? For this regard, that Narak is called Raurav Narak. Different kinds of Narak. If you committed different kinds of sinful activities, you have to go that kinds of Naraka. So very careful. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari. Now take prasad, or you take. Na dharmam,